my god! We made it! We're here now in Brisbane. And this is, of course, our room. I'll put my stuff here first. Oh my god, look at that view! We're actually under a bridge. Siyempre, hindi ko pa alam kung anong name ng itong bridge na to. Pero tignan naman yung view na yan. Oh my god. It's so wonderful. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, diba? Oh wow. Oh wow. And malamig ha. It's cold. It's chilly. Diba? Oh. Nako. We have to get to know this place. Parang, I think we're here in Parklands, I don't know, tapos, yun pa lang alam ko. And then, this is, of course, baka this is the Parklands River. I don't know. Tapos, of course, this is the room now. Look at my bed. Wow. Actually, I noticed yung mga paintings nila are faces of people. Maganda. Diba? O, diba meron pa? Nespresso machine. And, okay. Now, how to open the restroom. Closet siya. This is the, there. Alright. So this is the restroom. See-through. Diba? See-through. See-through ang bathroom. Perfect for couples. Oh my god, I just realized, daldal ako ng daldal. Hindi ko pala na-mention. Hindi ko pala, may nag-flash. Hindi ko pala na-mention na nandito kami sa Crystal Brook Vincent Hotel. Yun, para masabi ko yung location. Kasi nag-tour na ako, hindi ko nasabi yung saan location, di ba? Oo. And look at that. O, di ba? Talagang grabe, ang ganda ng view. Oh, look at that. Teka, iikot ko to para makita nyo. There. See? Look at that. So this is our hallway. I just wanted to show you. Ang ganda ng hallway. Kasi maganda rin yung lighting. Tapos yun nga, they have so many, parang what do you call this? Parang portraits. Hindi ko kilala yung mga tao. But ang gaganda nila. At ang galing ng artist. Okay, I'll bring you naman dun sa floor kung nasaan yung pool. Hinahanap ko kung nasaan yung gym eh. Nandito pala sa first floor. Tapos lumampas ako. Tapos yun pala, nandito siya. Yan na yun. Hello again! So, ito lang. Kakatapos lang namin maghanap ng place. Ay, nawala ako. Nasaan ako? Ayan na ulit. So, kakahanap lang namin ng place where we had coffee and breakfast. Grabe, ang sarap ng ham and cheese croissant. Masaya din ang price. Pero okay lang din naman. So we're just moving around here. And I just wanted to share pala. So we flew via Qantas. And sobrang na-impress ako sa Qantas kasi dapat kaninang 2:30 if I'm not mistaken yung flight. Pero they had to move it to a later time because they had to make sure that the plane was in good condition. Ba't ba ang lapit ko? Sorry naman. By the way, kakastart ko lang kasi gumamit itong DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and naninibago pa ako kasi parang gumagalaw mag-isa yung camera. Comment down below na lang kung ano bang pwede kong gawin para stable yung camera and I don't have to move around. Okay. So, ano ba yung point ko? So, dito na ako, ikot-ikot, kaka-breakfast lang and initial impressions, it's a Monday morning when we arrive and parang super laid back. O baka naman maaga pa kasi syempre when we arrive mga 6:30 in the morning, so tahimik, talagang ramdam mo yung Monday, parang yung Monday stillness na parang yung mga tao kakagising pa lang pero ang sarap kasi malamig, as in when we arrive kanina was 17 degrees, so now I think it's 21 degrees. Pero as you can see, naka-jacket ako, di ba? Kasi nga, malamig. Ayun, kaya ang sarap maglakad, di ba? Hindi nakakapagod. Umikot. Ay, what's this boat? Ganda ng boat. Can you see the boat? Okay. So, syempre na-distract na naman ako dun sa boat. Okay. Syempre nangangawit na ako. Okay, see you later. Hello. So we're here now at the Cathedral of St. Stephen's. Syempre we thought of spending a moment of prayer first, well, before we go around. O, diba? Very spiritual. Hello! So, I'm back. So, we're here at the City Botanic Gardens. Actually, wala akong idea what's inside. Pero, according to a friend of ours, kailangan makapunta kami dito kasi it's a really nice garden. Okay, so, actually, biglang lumamig ngayon dito sa lugar. Parang biglang naging 12 degrees. So, kaya naman, nag-jockey na ako. Oh, how nice naman. Can you see? There's a lot of people in the park. There. So, nakaupo lang sila doon. Okay. Actually, hindi ko alam kung saang direction ako pupunta. We'll see. Okay, lakad tayo dito. So, ayan. Dito ngayon, naglalakad ako kasi merong fountain. O, diba? Biglang naalala ko lang, nung bata ako, lagi kami doon sa National Parks and Wildlife sa may Quezon Avenue, Quezon City. Kasi, it's a park. And then, may mga tables and uupo lang kami dun sa tables and sa park, and then we'll have a picnic, tapos uupo lang kami and chill. And of course, I was still very young then. Ang naalala ko lang yung lugar, pero sorry, ayan, nangangawit ako. Ayan, how nice. Oh, kita nyo, how nice. Bakit kaya medyo greenish yung water? So itong park is right smack in the city of Brisbane. Diba? So, pag stress ka sa work, dilakad ka dito. Yan, Tapos upo ka, muni-muni ng things to do. At ang mga taong hindi mo masyado type sa office, aminin. Joke lang. Yeah, so ikot-ikot. Ang hangin. Diba, pero ang sarap sana kung may ganito sa Pilipinas, diba? Kasi it's a place where you can get in touch with nature, and I've always believed na it's a place where you can ground yourself and be energized. Here's another fountain. Ayan. Diba? Medyo madilim ba? Kasi magpo-4 in the afternoon eh. Nangangawit ako. Kita nyo ba yung mga trees? Diba? Parang ayan o. Ayan. Ang lalaki, ang tataas. Ang lalaki ng mga buildings. And, ayan o. Tapos biglang may park. Diba? Yan ang work-life balance. You work in the building and you live in the park. Oh my God, merong kinasal. Oh my God, how fantastic is that? Sabi ng mga lola ko, pag meron ka rin nawi-witness na kinakasal, it's a very good omen. Yung kinasal, may hawak na flag. Marites moment na ito. Oh yeah, can you see? Ayan, ang ganda. Yeah, ayan o. May chairs. May Nothing Hill moment. At meron ding picket fence. Picket fence. Ano ba tawag dyan? Metal fence. Ay, ang lakas ng hangin. Ayan yung mga birds. Diba? Ano nga sabihin ko? Ayan. Ay, sorry. Tumama yung hand ko sa mic ko. So, merong Nothing Hill moment dito sa likod. At dalawa siya. Isa sa nagkatuluyan at isa sa hindi nagkatuluyan dati at pagkakabalikan muli. Because I'm just a girl standing in front of a boy asking him O, alam nyo na yan. Ah, nice, no? Ayun, ayan. Ayan sila. Ayan yung kinakasal. And they're on their way here. Ooh. Oh, nice naman. Hindi ko alam kung tapos na yung kasal or ikakasal pa lang. Pero parang military yung guy. Ayan o, ayan sa gilid. O, diba? Ayan. Marites look yung ginagawa ko yung ganyan. Kailangan nakataas yung kilay. Ayan na. Diba? How nice. Anyway, kakaikot lang namin dito. Napansin na namin, kami mga magka-friends, na parang wala kami masyadong nakikitang Pilipino. We've been to, well, of course, Brisbane, dito. And in the next few days, we'll be in Gold Coast. So, interesting kung may makita kami mga Pinoy, pero parang walang masyado. And, teka, lalakad ulit ako ha. And interesting, kasi iniisip ko kung bakit walang masyadong Pilipino. Siguro, dahil baka mahal. I don't know, baka namamahal dito. Kasi like, I noticed, pag nag-lunch or dinner kami, ang average na expense is about 20 to 30 Australian dollars. So almost $1,000 per meal. Although malaki yung servings. And pwede naman kayo mag-share kung may kasama ka. Yun lang, kung ang budget is $20 lang or $30 per meal, yung isang friend mo, masusunod siya pag lunch. At ikaw naman, masusunod ng dinner. Para win-win, di ba? Para it's a win-win situation. Okay, tara, lakad tayo dito. Titingnan ako ng mga kinasal. Kasi baka feeling nila nire-record ko sila. Baka umbagin ako. Oh, there. Bakit may mga tao inside? Yung parang, kasi parang naka-cordon off eh. Ayun. Ayun. Parang naka-cordon, ay, nawala na ako. Naka-cordon off yung areas of the park. Sorry naman, nahihilo na ba kayo sa akin? Kasi paikot-ikot yung camera. Ayun. Okay. Sige. Yun na muna for now. See you later. Okay, kakalakad namin dito sa City Botanic Gardens. Biglang nasa lubog namin itong Queensland, can you see it? Queensland Parliament. And nandito yung kanilang legislative body. Ang hirap pala nakaganon, kasi kita yung double chin. Ang mga concerns. So, apparently, dito nagaganap ang kanilang mga laws. Dito ini-enact at fina-finalize, I suppose, sa kanilang laws. Interesting. And, sabi ng tour guide namin, this building was constructed in 1865. And, well, the construction started in 1865 and was opened in August 1868. Oh my God! August ngayon. So, 2025 minus 1868, ilang years na yon? 1968. Almost 200 years? Tama ba?
No, I need to tighten up.
Oop. There.
I think it was on the arms, so if you want to go
Alright,
see
there.
the
Can you
people.
see the building? Ayan. Yay! Ayan, so naglalakad kami. Tapos biglang lumakas yung hangin. Oh my God! Mahangin ba sa labas? Anyway, so ito sa likod namin, yan yung one of their newest malls, yung The Star. Hindi pa siya tapos. And, yeah. And baka actually yung pupuntahan namin ngayon, it's just, we're looking for a way kung paano pumunta doon. Ang lakas na ng hangin. So, itong The Star is just right beside the Parliament House. Actually, ang ganda ng building. Aray ko. Oh my God. Para ako mag-report ng weather. Reporting live in Brisbane, this is Romel Mariano. And right here in the middle of Brisbane, where there's really strong winds happening right now. And my hair is really going to different directions. As you can see, it is a depiction of how strong the winds are now. And I don't know what to say anymore. Okay. So we're taking the elevator to the 23rd floor. Ayan, kita nyo. The Star. Okay. So, ayan. Jumping or bouncing in elevators will cause lifts to cease operating. Reminder sa mga pasaway. Alright, so we're here. I'm checking my mic. Okay, sobrang mahangin pa kasi. So we're here now at the sky deck of the Star Grand. As you can see, hindi ko alam kung makita nyo. Kita ba? Doon tayo galing kanina, doon sa may Parliament House. So, Marites moment na naman to kasi we're discovering the place. Discovering the place habang golden hour. There. Dito sa likod namin, may mga line of restaurants na I'm not sure if they're open, but you can stay here and chill while enjoying the view. Actually, the other day, I think we were here, pero hindi kami natuloy kasi parang we didn't have time kasi we were meeting somebody for dinner. Can you see it? There's some building sa likod. There. Yeah. So may mga bars sa likod dito na open and you can actually have a drink or two. Oh God. Ito hindi ko kaya, I swear. Because I'm afraid of heights. So I can't do this. I can only look at it. There. Hindi Hindi ko kaya tumayo doon, I swear. It's so scary. Oh my God. Can you see it? It's so high. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's so high. Pakita ko ah. Wow. Oh my God. Yay! Can you see yung footbridge sa baba? Yeah. Sana makapunta kami dyan later. Alright, so we're here now at the footbridge. Galing kami doon sa taas. Ay, here pala. Ay, here pala. Ano pa yun? Na-disorient yata ako. So galing kami dyan sa the Star. So we're walking along the footbridge. And ang ganda lang kasi golden hour. Merong sunset feels. A lot of shadows. Diba? Oh, diba? There's really beauty in shadows as well. So, sabi nga nila, there are lights and shadows. So, you embrace both. Para there's balance. There's balance. So, ano ba yung buko? Speaking of balance, yung hair ko, ang gulo-gulo na. Kasi mahangin eh. Mahangin yung hair ko. There. So, mahangin ang hair ko. Hindi, I mean, humangin kanina kaya ang hair ko ganyan. Pero ayan, baka nagsasettle down na at hindi na masyado mahangin. Okay. Ang ganda rin itong footbridge. Grabe. Okay, I'll show you what's inside. Inside, what's in my background. Kita nyo ba yung Ferris wheel? There. So itong river, syempre nakalimutan ko na naman yung pangalan ng river. You can actually take and ride ferries. You can ride ferries here, and may station, and you can go from north to south and just explore and see yung iba't ibang stations around the river. Lalagay ko dyan mamaya yung name ng river para you can see what's end to end of Brisbane. Hello, so we're taking the ferry. It's only 50 cents. I better hold on to something before I fall down. But you see? Look. It's so convenient.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arriving at Howard Smith's Wharf, so we'll be disembarking from the front deck. Just a reminder to touch off with your Go card, credit card or debit card. Thank you.
Hindi ko pala record. Oh my god. And I was just saying that today, I was just with some friends and we had some idea where to go, but we didn't really have any plan. And sometimes in life, you just want to go and go with the flow. And that's okay. Kasi it's okay na there are times you don't want to be in control and just allow things to happen. Oh, diba? Alalim. Ayan, bababa na kami. Pero I don't know where we are. See ya! Hello, gabi na. We decided to just go around and enjoy the ferry. And ayun, gabi na.
Housing rules tunnel. Disembarking from the front. Please keep a verbal yourself. Regard to the bus every.
Alright, we're back in the hotel. Pagoda, busog. Busog ang tiyan, busog ang utak, busog ang kaluluwa. Oh, diba? May ganun. Pero today was really good. Anyway, I just wanted to do this recording so I can end my vlog properly. I'm really grateful for today. I'll see you soon. I think tomorrow we'll go to Gold Coast na. So see you in my next vlog. Gold Coast. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Good night. O diba? Sana nagustuhan niya. Hey guys, so if you really like my vlog, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Salamat po. Be kind. Bye.